Hi everyone, Happy New Year, and I hope that you're in the best of health. I actually touched on this subject in my New Year's video, but I thought it's best if I do a separate video on this subject. I also want to take this opportunity to thank all of you for your kind support for my kimchi product. It's growing at a very healthy rate. I'm really grateful to Merdeka Supermarket who gave me my first platform to showcase my kimchi. They are champions of local products and they were the first one who had faith in my product. As you well know, my kimchi products are also being featured at City Gourmet, and I've got wonderful news to share with you for this new year that my kimchi will also now be available at Tonghing Supermarket. I initially named the kimchi products under my name, but I have revised the packaging as well as the label, so it's under my mom's namesake, her Korean name, Cha Sunja Gourmet Foods. And I have also changed the packaging to a more user-friendly kind of packaging so that I can reach out to more people. And also I pegged it at an introductory rate of 10 ringgit and 99 cents so that people can give it a try and see how it goes. And also I've got another great news to share with you. I've actually been working on this for the past year or so. I've been finessing it and experimenting it because I've always been doing it for myself, and I shared it with a couple of my friends and they were very encouraging. They were saying that it's really tasty, that I should also promote this product as well. As you're mostly aware, kimchi is a natural probiotic. It boosts your immune system. I was suffering for many years from gastritis and I cured that by taking probiotics, but to my horror I realized that it was also making me put on weight. So I was wondering what else could I do, and then I realized that kimchi is a natural probiotic, and that's when I started to make kimchi again. As I've said, it's under my mom's namesake, so this is the smallest way that I can pay tribute to her. Gochujang is also packed with vitamin C because kimchi and gochujang is a fermented product. No decent Korean household will not have these in earthen jars outside of their homes. I still remember as a little kid how when I went and visited my grandma's house in Korea, how they had those earthen jars, huge ones, and my mom told me that when she was little, when she was tasked with taking the kimchi or gochujang from those jars, she nearly fell in because the jars were so huge, especially when she had to dig up those at the bottom of the pot. This is really a traditional Korean food, and especially during these times with COVID and all that, I think it's not just enough to wear a face mask and practice hygiene more strenuously, but we also need to boost our immune system. If our body is not healthy enough, it's not going to be strong enough to dispel the germs whenever we are out there and we are endangering ourselves. That is why kimchi and gochujang is a really great immune booster, and it's also very tasty. For those of you who are not familiar with the look of the gochujang, it is the Korean red chili pepper paste. If you go to a restaurant, they will serve it if you are having samgyeopsal, or for those of you who are familiar with buying them, they are actually available in the imported red rectangular box, and that's the one that I'm talking about. I've also done my research and I realized that it's not available locally as in homemade locally. So I was really excited about this. You can also add it into any of your other dishes as well. For instance, you can add it into your spaghetti sauce, or you can add it into any of your oriental cooking. It lasts up to 1 year refrigerated, so I hope that you will give it the same support as you have for my kimchi. Don't forget that these products are available at Merdeka Supermarket, City Gourmet at the Peak, and now Tonghing as well. Thank you so much for your attention, and I hope that you take good care till we meet again. See you. Bye.